I wonder if your if Reine voice is big as her watermelon.
But I do get
What? What did you say? No, what did you say? I just want to checking out. What? Checking out your voice. That's all.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna get dressed?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my. Wait. Can I shower with you? Can I join you? Wait, no, I want to shower. No, I can't.
I mean, it's safe. Let's stay clothed. Oh my god! Wait, hold on. Ooh, that's a nice spot.
Am I gonna shower now? No?
I'm done showering.
Oh, you're done showering?
I'm not done!
Oh my god! Wait, where are you? I can't shower! I want to shower! Step on me. Oh, okay.
Why did you make that kind of sound when I step on you?
It's the sound of my back spanking you. Sound of my
Fuck it, modern day killers really must take fun. More often people taking lives, rocking knives and guns. To re-murder connoisseurs in the ruins of hell. Get used to luring the audience with what it sells. Cause to my surprise, snatching lives, 40 eyes, can she? Nice try stopping the motherfucking Da Vinci of human erasure. Can't stop the pacer, make sure it stands.